Hello everybody! Do you know what festival is coming now? Halloween? No. What about Christmas? No. Easter? Yes! So I'm going to show you a super easy craft about Easter, and the only material you need is scissors, a marker, some glue stick, clothespin, you see the clothespin, a white cardboard, and some colors. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, what you have to do is draw the shape of an egg, more or less like this, and then draw some lines here in the middle, up and down, and then we can do some decorations, more lines here. You can do like shapes, a heart, some circles, okay? And then we color, you see? Okay, there we go. Next step is to draw a cheek. We do here, and we draw the eyes, and we draw the beak, okay. He looks angry, but he's not. And now let's color the cheek, right? Okay, the next step is to cut everything out, yeah? Now what we do, remember those up and down lines we drew? So now we cut the egg from there, yeah? So up and down, up and down, up and down, and now we have it like this. Okay, can you see? Okay, now what we do is we're gonna stick it here. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this. One part here and one part there. So when you open, well, now you can't see, but when you open, the egg is going to do like this. Yeah, okay, there we go. So now, can you see? We do like this. Ooh. And the next step is to take the cheek and stick it here at the back of the clothespin. You see this white part? We put the glue stick here, like this, at the bottom, okay? And we stick it here. Good, sorry. And we stick it here. Yes? So with the glue stick, again, I repeat, the glue stick here, and then stick the cheek here, the back part of the egg. Can you see? Okay? Okay. And now what we do is Happy Easter! Happy Easter, everybody! I hope you like this super easy craft. Bye-bye, cheek. Bye-bye, everybody.